Is the Westin Desaru the ultimate Babymoon getaway, or is it just an overpriced resort trap? We spent the weekend at this 5-star hotel, tested the famous heavenly bed, and took the 90-minute ferry from Singapore to help find out if it's worth the hype. But here's the catch. The food prices were insane, so we hacked our trip with delivery apps and local food gems that saved us possibly hundreds of dollars. In this video, we're showing you the room, the incredible breakfast spread, and what there is to do nearby. Plus, stay tuned to the end for a full breakdown of every dollar we spent. Let's get into it.
We are on our way to our Babymoon to Desaru.
We're at the ferry terminal at Tanah Merah right now. We just got here and it's 9:30 and we're ready to get on the boat already. So thankfully we got our tickets real quick. We'll talk to you a little bit more, but it looks like there's been an upgrade since the last time we got here.
The whole process has been super fast. Literally, we got here, checked in, like 10 minutes, we sat down and went through immigration, super fast, security.
They've already removed the ramp, so we might be departing soon.
I thought it was gonna be packed to literally like 10 people on our side.
It's a lot of open space.
Yeah.
They only have one ferry per day, which is at 10 a.m. here from Tanah Merah. And then same thing from Desaru. When we come back, there's only one ferry to Tanah Merah, which is 5:30.
And there's also the option to take the ferry from Harborfront.
I think it's a bit further of a ride
For us?
for them because they have to go all the way past this way. So
more water.
I don't know how much that costs, but this one was 105 round trip per person, Singapore dollars. We'll see what immigration's like once we get there, but like Chantal said, getting through here was extremely fast.
Batam fast.
Yeah.
So last time we were here was maybe like 2-3 years ago, and the terminal looked very different than what it does now. I mean, there's a luck in here, which is crazy.
If you're like us and you get here, what we thought like 45 minutes before would be okay, then you won't have time for any of that anyway. We did get the tickets online from Batam Fast. Sometimes they do promo codes. I think when I got it, we did get like $10 off or something like that. After you purchase your tickets, you still need to make sure you give yourself enough time to go to the Batam Fast counter to actually pick up your physical ticket.
Because it was so empty, immigration, once we arrived, was super fast, and we got to try the auto gate, so we have no stamp on our passport.
Yes, save the stamp space. There is a free shuttle bus across 4 different hotels, and I was worried it's like first come, first serve, but
It's empty. Short shuttle ride. We made one stop, dropped off a couple, and on the second stop, a few more people got off, including us at the Westin. We have no luggage, so it was really easy to just walk into the grand entrance, and we got to check in right away. And our room was ready, which is awesome, and I think we got the upgrade.
we got a new iPhone 17 Pro, actually both of us. So we're gonna try dual capture so I can see her and myself. We're gonna do this for the room tour.
So when you walk in, we have, I'm assuming, our closet with the mirrors. It's very cold in here, so
It is
Should
cold.
we go to the bathroom first?
Sure,
Okay,
sure,
so
let's
the
do
bathroom. Oh, this is nice. It's big.
Wow.
Big walk-in
Oh
shower.
my gosh. It's huge.
Oh, and they have
Wide.
their original Westin flavors that you like.
I do like the Westin amenities. Okay.
Toilet, which is see-through, so that's nice.
Unusual, but whatever.
This, oh, we have a tub. Did we bring bath bombs for you?
No, but I'm totally soaking.
Yeah, you should.
I think you can too, right?
Here, all cute. Little mini fridge and the grand entrance.
Very cute. They did know it's a Babymoon, so. And if Chantal wants to watch me soaking in the tub, it's right there.
The fact that we have a balcony is nice.
Oh yeah. Drying rack. So there's 2 pools here?
Yeah, there's the infinity pool here,
Mm-hmm.
and then over there is like the main pool area, I guess.
And across is the beach.
And across the street is the beach. This!
Welcome to the Westin Desaru. Happy Babymoon. Wishing all your wishes come true.
Very cute. Thank you, Westin. Amenity check. We've got water, which is great. And then, of course, we gotta make sure we've got our check bathrobes and slippers. I always love Westin Heavenly beds. So this will be a great bed for a pregnant woman.
And they also have a menu where you can order different pillows that you would prefer to sleep at night with.
Oh, that's very cute. Thank you so much.
The only thing that's changed is that I've lived a few extra days.
While we wait for some food, we're just gonna wander around the property a little bit and check out what there is to offer at the Westin.
Time passing me by, can't help but wish.
As we were walking around the property, they actually offered us some free samples of their food.
Still be childish, 'cause now life's got me so stressed. Just wanna play.
One cool thing is we are right across the street from the beach. Really convenient because we can just wake up, go down. Well, actually, we're gonna go a little bit later today because weather's been doing okay, but it's supposed to rain. So we might as well take advantage of the beach today while we still have the sun out.
So you can actually rent some bikes for about 2 hours and go 3.2 kilometers to go around this area.
Knowing what comes next, just wanna be childish.
So there are 3 main restaurants. Our breakfast will be at Seasonal Taste. There's Prego, which is like the Italian fancy-ish restaurant. And the third one is the Kedidi, which is like a seafood restaurant.
They're all quite expensive. We might go one night. But for now, we're gonna eat some food delivery because let's be real, Grab and Food Panda are much cheaper and the food's good.
Everything is free here. We just got like a short 5-minute shoulder massage while we're still waiting for our food.
I'm still learning how to live as an adult person.
So we've been lounging around for probably more than an hour. We took a nice little nap here by the pool. It's been very relaxing because it's been pretty empty actually.
A little obnoxious, Hard Rock. Poor guests in all the rooms have to deal with that pinkness.
We got dinner. Again, we did Food Panda because this was 16 Sing dollars. It's a place called Restaurant Aneka. Gailan, char kway teow, butter chicken with an egg omelet. The best part is we ordered an orange juice. It was either iced or warm. And we're like, we don't need ice because it's probably gonna melt. But it's like proper warm. And it's in a bag.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown.
Good morning. It's Saturday and we woke up around 10 so that we could head to breakfast before it closed at 11, which is pretty late. I feel like most places it's like 10 or 10:30. It was pretty empty. A lot of different stations, of course, since it's buffet. There's an Indian station, Chinese, Western, plenty of juices and breads and pastries. Some of our favorites were trying out the charcoal bread.
There's an omelet station, of course. They had a donut wall. If you're from America or familiar with the chain, Cheesecake Factory. Whenever we went to Cheesecake Factory, we were absolutely overwhelmed every single time because the menu is like 30 pages long. That's kind of how it felt going into here because there was just too many options and we can't eat all that food. Tomorrow we've got a strategy to try other stuff. One thing I didn't get that Chantal did get was the teh tarik. I went to the stupid cappuccino machine that's like automated. Tomorrow I'm totally getting either a kopi or a teh tarik.
I remember days on the back of the school bus making up fuss, wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days.
So after the pool, we went to the beach. It was amazing. Our plan was to bike to a restaurant for a late lunch, but they recommended to take Grab.
They did say that it's not in the Desaru area, so they'd recommend actually just taking a Grab because it's probably less bike friendly out there. But also, it's starting to look like it might rain at any point, and we do not want to get caught in the rain with bikes.
It was only about 3 Singapore dollars to get here. Very quick, easy ride, but easier than biking here, I think.
And that was surge pricing too. But what I'm thankful is we were able to get a ride within like 3 minutes.
I've been really surprised by how many free things that the hotel offered for everyone. For kids, for adults, there was like yoga aquatics today, garden walks. It's pretty awesome.
All right, the shake came first, so we're gonna try the shake before the burgers. Cheers. Interesting.
There are memories, honestly, I can't be.
We just finished up the burgers, but wanted to point this out. I got this cool little ropes course. Figure we'd take a quick walk around their resort, and they got a little beach too. It's nice.
We couldn't justify going downstairs to eat at one of the restaurants when we can, again, use Grab food delivery to order all of this for the price of maybe one dish downstairs.
We got 2 pizzas, 8-inch. Oh, that looks good. What do we got here? Oh yeah.
Oh, dessert.
A double chocolate cake. This is amazing. Now, it's not the healthiest, yes, but we're on vacation. I had Vivo pizza before because first time I came to Desaru was with a couple of friends and we went golfing. So we stayed across the street from this restaurant and it was really good. All this was 54 ringgit, including the delivery. One pizza downstairs, I think, is like 52 ringgit. And they might add like service charge because it's a hotel. Reviews were mediocre too. No offense, Westin. We love it here.
After our in-room dining, we came down to the mixed lounge to listen to some live music and to redeem our free drinks. And it was really nice because we got nice live music from a really great singer with his guitar, and the drinks were good. I mean, they're mocktails for 28 ringgit, which is a lot, so I think it was a good value.
All right, and this morning we missed our alarm because I left it on vibrate, but somehow woke up still on time for us to try and catch a 9 a.m. tour of their grow house. Their greens, like that they use in the restaurants, are grown here on property, and they do like a little 15-minute tour every day at 9 a.m. So we're gonna try and catch that. This is our last day, so we're gonna grab breakfast, head straight to the pool, chill for a little bit. And the one frustration I have with this property is it has an unusually late check-in time. So check-in is at 4 p.m. and an unusually early checkout time, which is 11 a.m. But fortunately for us, we asked for a little bit of a late checkout and they gave us until 12:30.
2000 babies aren't the babies anymore. I'm getting older, but who's really keeping score?
So that's where they grow everything? I guess so. Huh.
So we kind of just got led to where we need to go, and I guess it's like a self-guided tour, maybe.
Neither of us are brave enough to go straight in. So, but we suspect it's this because it's refrigerated. And then there's this whole setup back here. Interesting. All right, let's go to breakfast. I saw this side of it and it was slightly open, so I decided to open it, and this lady was in there. She waved, so I guess we were allowed to open it up, but that was kind of cool. Okay, we're sitting in Prego, the restaurant we didn't end up going to because it's so expensive. But I guess there's overflow seating here for breakfast, and they even have food here, but obviously we can go back to the other side and grab food.
So it actually looks like they changed up their offerings a little bit.
The only thing that's changed is that I've lived a few extra days. I know that it's just time passing me by.
Okay, we're taking a little buggy to go across the street to Hard Rock Cafe.
Yeah, so we've checked out now, left our bag here, and just need to be back by 4 p.m. for the shuttle back to the ferry terminal. So that's why we're going to Hard Rock to check it out.
Can't help but wish I could still be childish. 'Cause now life's got me so stressed. Just want
So we're sitting here in this little thing because it feels like we're waiting for a flight and we're like at the airport way too early. Got a huge water park here, by the way.
We'll go check that out.
no way of knowing what comes next. Just wanna be childish.
When we have a kid, would you prefer Westin or the Hard Rock?
I think it depends on the age of your children, or if you're coming with friends who also have kids, I think it'd be a really cool spot to come check out.
Yeah, I agree. I think like if they're young, and they shouldn't be in the water, Westin was fine.
Swimming pool, yeah.
Yeah. And actually there were still a lot of kids at our hotel.
Yeah.
But there's definitely more entertainment for kids and even adults because we have a live guitarist every night, but they've got a live band. It's like a donkey. Should we try a monkey?
Raptors, there's no monkey butt.
Oh, never mind.
Little me, but an older version.
So we're actually eating at the hotel. We grabbed 2 sandwiches, and I think both sandwiches still cost less than one like dish at our Westin.
Just gotten back. Those shuttles are a game changer, by the way. But yeah, apparently there's a little botanical garden trail, so we're walking through it.
Just burdens, 'cause nothing's certain.
While we're finishing up this little garden walk, which actually is not little, it goes from the front to the back of the hotel. We're gonna wrap it up here. Mini Babymoon for you. Did you find it relaxing enough?
Definitely. I think it's a really good location, especially because it was my first time to Desaru. The hotel is really nice, relaxing, peaceful, everything that a Babymoon should be, I think.
It was not too crowded, which is, I think, a big plus.
Food-wise, breakfast was good. Lots of different varieties, which you'll find at most hotels. I think we did a really good job at ordering dine-in. Not through the hotel, but through the food apps to save a little bit of money.
We weren't the only ones either. Like, they have a whole shelf that they use for Grab Delivery and Food Panda, which are the 2 apps you use here.
In terms of transportation to Desaru, ferry was pretty easy. We watched a
Yes.
Netflix show and it made the time go by really fast.
Yeah.
Last time you came here, we went by
We
car.
did car, which is okay if you have a group of 4 of us with golf clubs and everything. It ended up being cheaper doing that, but it is way longer. I think it was like 2.5+ hours, but that's door to door. And I'm gonna put all of the pricing down so you can make the decision yourselves to see if it's worth having a Desaru Babymoon. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.